Welcome. If you're looking to find your archived messages on LinkedIn using your PC, you're in the right place. With LinkedIn's recent updates, the steps have changed slightly, but I'll walk you through the process so you can easily access your archived conversations. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn's official website. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, take a look at the top menu bar. You'll see several icons there, but you want to focus on the messaging icon. It looks like a little speech bubble and is usually located near the top right corner of your screen. Click on the messaging icon. This will open up your main messaging window, where you can see all your recent conversations. Now, here's where the new update comes into play. Inside the messaging window, you'll notice a list of your active chats on the left side. At the top of this section, you'll see a drop-down menu or a filter option. Click on this menu to reveal different message categories. From the list of options, select Archived. This will instantly filter your conversations and display only the messages you've previously archived. You can now scroll through your archived messages, read old conversations, or even restore any chat back to your main inbox if needed. If you want to move a conversation out of the archive, simply open the archive chat. Click on the three dots or the More option and select Unarchive. The conversation will return to your main message list, making it easy to pick up where you left off. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can find and manage your archived messages on LinkedIn, even after the latest update. Keeping your inbox organized has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most of your LinkedIn experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.